Hello everyone, and this is Aisha Tenda. Today I'm glad to introduce one of our new models of EAM system. The material is import acrylic. Next, I will show you the testing of our products. This is AM hardtack. Now we put it on the bag and test it. The detention range of this tag can reach to 2.0 to 2.5 meters. For this system, there are two debugging, manual and remote control debugging. For our system, it is widely used in supermarket, shopping mall, and various of retail store. If you would like to protect your goods, it is a great choice for you. If you are interested in, please feel free to talk with us. We can offer you a full solution for you. See you next time. Bye.